Hi friends, I'm Darshan. Today I'm going to tell you something how can you beautify your face. It's very easy. We can always use things available in our house to beautify our face and arms and neck and full body, provided we know it. So, as nowadays quinoas and oranges are available, what you need to do is to take the skin of the oranges and quinoa. See, this is the skin of the orange or quinoa. It's a fresh one. I just peeled it. What you need to do is to keep the skins of the 3 4 quinoas or oranges in a plate in the sun. When sun rays will come, they will become very dry and hard. They'll become like this. You can see and you can feel that they are very dry. And what you need to do is to mixie them and make powder out of it. So when you mixie say 3 4 5 times, it will become powder like this. See, this is the powder of dried quinoa leaves. So this becomes very smelly, very beautiful smell it gives. What you need to do is to take 2 spoons of honey and mix 1 or 2 spoons of this powder, and mix it well and apply it on your face and neck. And you can add anything like malai, raw milk, honey, rose water, anything which is available at your home. Just mix it almost equally and apply it on the full neck and on your face and keep it on for half an hour. After half an hour, when it becomes dry, you can sprinkle cold water, tap water, not fridge water, on your face, and leave it for 2 3 minutes. Let the face and the solution on the face, pack on the face, be little wet and little loose, loosened from the skin. So what happens, it will start getting wet. So sprinkle more water, or you can take a piece of cotton, or you can take a piece of cotton cloth and just touch it on your face to make it more wet, and neck also. So when it becomes wet after 5 minutes, then you start rubbing your face clockwise. When you do it clockwise, the solution will, the pack, the orange pack will come out, and it will leave the skin. And then you can wash your face with cold water, tap water. Never ever use hot water on your face, on your neck, or on your hair. Your hair will become very dry and your skin will become full of wrinkles. Nobody told us about all these things, but as I know, I would like to share it with you guys. So when you wash it and use it 2 3 times, 3 4 times in a week, or initially you can use it daily for a week, and then see the skin. It will shine like anything. It will show the glow, and neck also will become better. Our neck's complexion should equally be as our face. So we need to take care of the neck equally as we take care of the face. So my dear friends, it's a very very easy remedy. I am doing it since 1 week, but there is a lot of change in my face. So I thought, let me share this thing with you. And it does not take any money, it does not take much effort. It's only the initiative you need to take and do it. So you must start doing it, and be careful about not using hot water on your face ever. Maybe it is winter time, maybe it is summertime, because the skin becomes very saggy when you use hot water, and your hair will also become very dry if you use hot water. Better from neck to head, you should use cold water, not very cold, of course, tap water, and down the neck on your body you can use little hot water. As in winters it is difficult, but even if you want to use hot water in your on your hair, use lukewarm water, don't use hot water. Hot water will spoil your skin as well as your hair. I hope you like it and you will start using it. I'm very sure it will glow your face and neck, and the results are very good. I'm using it since 1 week, and I think my face has started shining and it's looking more good. Thanks for watching.